guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna get straight into this video. What I used was the 40 developer and also the BW2 for the powder. You can find those at your local hair store. I used the plastic bowl with a brush, also that comes in a pack together at CVS. And what I have is a 13x4 lace frontal. It already came pre-plucked as well. So basically what I'm doing now, I'm just going to show you guys how the lace look. Well, in a minute. You see how the lace look? It actually was some pretty good lace to begin with, but those knots still needed to be bleached. Oh, and I also use a pair of gloves as well. You want to make sure you use gloves so it doesn't cause any burn or irritation to your skin. Always safety first. Yeah, that light was not doing me justice, y'all. All right. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use it also, the powder that you guys use to bleach with, it should comes with already a scoop in it. And 2 scoops of the powder itself. What I use with the 40 developer is 2 scoops. And whenever you do get your scoops, you want to make sure that it's filled all the way to the top for both scoops. To make sure that you close both products once you're done with it. And now you just want to mix. See how it looks? You just want to mix until it comes to like a toothpaste looking feeling. You're going to see what I'm talking about in a minute. The way that you want it to come out looking. You don't want it too watery and you don't want it too thick. Basically, just enough to where it don't seep through the actual lace itself. Basically just paint the bleach. Well, I say paint, other side says it's different, but basically just paint the bleach onto the lace I kind of thought about it as a canvas. You don't want to go really too much out of the line, and you want to try to get it as even as possible. Also, when painting the bleach onto the lace, you want to make sure that you go all the way up to where the hairline actually starts on the lace to make sure those knots as well along the edges are being bleached. Okay, so this is how covered it looks after I got done putting the bleach on the lace. And now you're going to wait for 10 minutes. I waited for 10 minutes. Okay, so this is the final product. After I washed out the chemical out of the lace, I also went on and washed the hair itself as well. I'm going to get, there you go. Y'all, look at that lace, okay? Y'all, this is my first time ever bleaching knots on a wig, and I think I did incredible. I mean, y'all, just look at this lace though. I did such an amazing job. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be posting more videos and tutorials on hairstyles and just different things to do with hair in general. Thanks for watching.